This 2014 Audi S6 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Audi S6 Prestige Package Comfort Seatnic Package Cold Weather Package 20 in Quad 5 Parallel Spoke Design Wheels Driver Assistance Package Carbon Fiber Inlays Bose Premium Sound System Top View Camera Audi Active Lane Assist Audi Presense Plus Audi Adaptive Cruise Control 4.0 V8 Engine 7-speed S-tronic Automatic Transmission Bluetooth Connectivity Navigation System Rear View Camera Front Parking Assist Rear Parking Assist Heated Front Seats Cooled Front Seats Heated Rear Seats Heated Steering Wheel Memory Front Seats, Power Rear Trunk Opener, Keyless Entry, Keyless Start, Heated Exterior Mirrors, Automatic Power Windows, Power Folding Mirrors, Phantom Black Pearl Effect, Exterior Black Leather Interior, Floor Mats, Owner's Manual, Original Window Sticker, $81,940 MSRP new. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.